Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a 2020 Outback. To get the mirror off, there's this guy right here. Just push this little clip right here and it'll slide out. And then, oh, they got this nice glue on here. It's fresh. This stuff is sticky, icky. It's like a sound detonating. Okay, pull that out of the way. Let's see, there's gonna be a 10. There's a 10 right here. I'm assuming this is another spot for the other 10s. Come on. Seriously? There it goes. It's got these like 4 little clips in the gasket. And yeah. So you got 2 10s right here and 1 10 right here, and the mirror comes off. Okay. These 10s in here, try to grab them without making them fall. Oh, if they fall, I catch them. Oh yeah, look at that. Aha, I got all 3. Sometimes if they drop, just take the speaker out, 3, 4 screws, pops out, they'll be sitting right here at the bottom. Now, the mirror should just wiggle. There's another clip on this side, look at that. Right in here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll have to show you when I get it out. I'll show you when I get it out. It's hard to get in there with the camera. Something here. There it is. Chrome doesn't need the... Right here, look, there's a little tab right here. What's that tab again? What's that? Is that tab again? That little tab right there. So you gotta stick something here and just push on it. That's how I take the mirror off. Now we got, I'm gonna put this back so I don't forget that. Thanks for watching the channel today. Subscribe to our channel. I like the comments. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know. Stay COVID free and have a great day. They're just ripping it over there, huh? Yeah.